Hello students, subject English, lesson number 28, all about money. In this lesson, we learn about money. We all need money to buy things and to pay people who work for us. We all need money. Means for what sake we need money? Every day we need lot of things like as we need milk, fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, and for that sake we need money. Also, we need money to pay people who works for us. Means we have to give wages to the people those work for us. But what is money? Who invented money? Today, we see money in the form of coins and notes. See the chart below. Currency, cash money, coins. There are different types of coins. A 50 paise coin, a 1 rupee coin, a 5 rupee coin, or 10 rupee coin. Nowadays, we are not using 50 paise coin. See notes, a 5 rupee note, or 10 rupee note, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, a 100 rupee note, 500 rupees, or 2000 rupee note. These are the coins and notes we use in India. But different countries use different coins and notes. In our India, we are using coins and notes shown above. But in other countries, their coins and notes are different. Their money is known by different names. For examples, in the United States, they use dollars. In England, they use pounds. In Greece, France, Germany, Italy, they use euro. In Canada, they use Canadian dollar. In New Zealand, they also use dollar. Australia, they use dollar. Russia, they use Russian ruble. Austria, they use euro. Japan, yen. China, yuan. In this way, different countries use their different coins and currencies. But long ago, people did not use coins and notes. Long ago means lot of years ago, people didn't use coins and note because at that time money not available. They exchanged one thing for another. This was known as barter. At that time means very long years ago. Money not available and every day they need things, and that's why they exchange their things to other things. So the system of exchanging one thing to another thing, that was known as barter systems. So to fulfill their needs, they use by exchanging one thing to another. It may seem unbelievable, but long ago, people even used special stones as money. Very long years ago, people used special stones as money. You cannot believe in this, but that was the real thing at that time. Then now, imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. You can imagine how it was very difficult to carry the money or carry that stones. People also used bricks of salt, shells, and cowries as money in the past. In past means long days before. People used bricks of salt, shells, and cowries. Cowries means different types of shiny shells, and with that help, they buy other things from others. They gave grain, farm produce, cattle, goats, chickens, etc. in return for things like clothes, tools, and implements or as wages. At that time, whatever the things available to them, they exchange with others. For example, grains. If they have grains more, they exchange that to others. Farm produce means fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, and other things, whatever they get from the farm. Also, with that, cattle, goats, chickens, these things exchange with the clothes, tools, and implements or the wages. Wages means salary of the person who work for them. Then they began to use bits of precious metals like gold, silver, and copper as money. After some days, they began to use bits of precious metals. Precious metals, they are gold, silver, and coppers. Bit means some coins or small pieces. It was easier to carry this money around and to carry the bits of gold, silver, and copper easier than the money of the stones. Paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. In China, first paper money was used. Paper money or notes have no value of their own, but a note is a promise to give that much money. Paper money or note have no value of their own, but it's a promise to give that money. These notes are printed by the government. No one else is allowed to print notes. These notes are printed by the government. Only government can print the notes, and it's not allowed to any other person to print notes. And the notes printed by the government only valid to use everywhere. You must use your money carefully. You should not write on the notes or tear or crumple the notes or damage them in any way. It means you must take care of the money and use the money economically and very carefully. How you take care of that note? You must not write on that notes, or you must not tear the note. You must not crumple the note or damage them in any way. You must keep the notes very carefully. You should also be careful when you spend money. Uh, Everywhere where you are going to use money, you must spend that carefully. You must use that economically. People have to work hard to earn money. And why you must take care of that money? Because to earn money, lot of people have to work hard, and so that you must use money economically. Thank you.